ordinary teen, with her mother lost, tries to express her individuality and break free from the norm at any cost.
Presenting For Heidi with Blue Hair, made by Simran and Hitali.
This poem deals with the issue of conformity in schools and how rebellion in a teenager may have deeply rooted causes, not always apparent to others. The central character is Heidi, who dyed her hair blue. She is portrayed as a rebellious and independent girl and has developed her own thoughts and personality, and also does not want any sympathy for the death of her mother.
We can also see Heidi's strong determination in achieving what she wants, as she is strong-minded. Tell them it won't wash out, not even if I wanted to try. This line shows her courage in standing up for what she believes in and the courage to strive for what she desires. Her father is recognized as a freedom-loving father, showing the support he gives to Heidi.
This poem is a free verse and has a loose structure which reinforces the idea of rebellion, the battle against authority and rules.
Punctuation. A parenthesis is written as an aside and it reflects the informality of tone.
Enjambment makes the poem seem conversational and creates a flowing effect.
Rhyme scheme. There is no rhyme scheme in this poem, showing the unconventional style, reflecting the theme of rebellion and individuality.
Dialogues seem to make the poem unconventional and portray vivid imagery. It also uses simple vocabulary.
It is told from a second-person point of view, and it creates a unique poetic effect. It feels as if the poet is talking to you, the reader, thus making you sympathize with the girl.
Ultramarine for the clipped sides with a crest of jet black spikes on top is a very unusual hairstyle. Ultramarine is a very striking and unusual color which no student would color their hair with. Moreover, the black spikes associate with a porcupine, which elucidates that she is rebellious and doesn't want pity from anyone.
Grey, white and flaxen yellow. The hairstyle of her friend is also portrayed with strong imagery. However, these are the school colors and show her friend's solidarity and portrays that Heidi had won the battle against the headmistress. Wipe your tear, also not in a school color, portrays that Heidi was crying and is said with a sense of sarcasm to mock the headmistress. The tear could also be her mascara running down her face as she cried.
Shimmered in arguments. The headmistress realizes that Heidi's rebellious act is just a way to cope with her mother's death. Teachers Twittered shows undertones of pain as the reason of Heidi's rebellion becomes apparent, her mother's death.
Tears in the kitchen, telephone calls to school. These lines depict that the mood is very stressful for the girl right now and the tears express her gloominess. Because, as the headmistress put it, though dyed hair was not specifically forbidden, yours was, apart from anything else, not done in school colors. All of the second stanza shows that Fleur Adcock is almost mocking the headmistress and that she does not agree with the punishment.
One of the major themes in this poem is rebellion. Heidi wants to break free from the norm and wants to express her individuality. Heidi's hairstyle shows the rebellious and wild side to her character, since she should very well have known that ultramarine is too extreme a color to be acceptable by the school or societal norms. Her spiked hair is also unconventional for a student. Despite the school's pressure against having it, she showed no fear of going against it, thus showing her rebellious way. Heidi also gives the impression of being a stubborn girl. She cared little about conforming to rules, as could be seen from the word anyway, which suggests that she did not want to give in to the school's request for conformity. Heidi was insistent on keeping the hair color and hairstyle by providing reasons like it costs a lot and that it would not wash out. Hence, despite the school's opposition, Heidi remained unafraid and would not change, showing her stubborn side.
It also deals with independence and individuality in human
Heidi with blue hair presents us with a central image of a child sent home from school for dyeing her hair blue. This act was to express her individuality and help her cope with her mother's death.
As the story develops, we find not just an amusing story, but also a challenge to social boundaries. Adcock manages to gently bring together issues of friendship, solidarity, home life, and social institutions when discussing this relatively minor event. In the end, her friend mocks the headmistress in a tongue-in-cheek way which portrays that Heidi had won the battle.